A very good day to you all. This is another segment of our lecture series, Word Processing Applications Advanced. This is the content that today I will conduct about styles, right? Based on styles, we will discuss about table of contents, figure and table captions, table of figures, right? This is actually based on your a thesis or any reports, right? How you create your thesis or report and how you create table of contents for the thesis or report and how you insert some figure and table captions, right? Those things we will discuss under these items, and then footnotes and endnotes and mail merge, track changes, and something about shortcut keys, and then macros and how you protect documents, right? These things what I'm going to discuss today, right? First, styles, right? Styles means you can automate your document with some formattings, right? You can remember last time we have discussed about formattings, right? Paragraph formattings and text formattings, right? Style means that pre-defined formats, right? Just you can apply styles with those formats, right? From that you can save your time, right? That is very important thing, and also you can improve your document appearance, right? That is very easy to apply styles to automate your document. For example, you can automatically create your table of content if you use styles, right? We will discuss them. And in Word, you have quite a number of built-in styles, right? Also, you can create your styles, and also you can modify built-in styles, right? So then we can discuss how you create a document with styles, right? From that, I will go to Word. Right, under Home tab you can see area called styles, right? You can see several built-in styles there, right? Anytime if you want to apply style, just you can click on this style, right? If you click here, the small arrow, you can see other styles, right? Even you can create a style, and if you have applied styles, then you can clear. That means you can remove those styles, right? So, and also if you want to modify the styles, simply right click on style and then select modify, right? If you go to modify, you can see this is modify style window, right? You can see there are several options there. Even formatting, especially formatting, you can see font size and some bold, italic, underline, like that, right? And colors also, spacing, everything you can modify. Then you can click OK to save these modifications, right? I will not do that this time, right? This is styles, and you can modify or create, right? But thing is that you want to understand how you apply these styles to your document and how you automate documents, right? That is based on I will explain that using table of content, right? Table of content, and let it go there, right? This is a table of content we call TOC, is based on the heading levels, right? That is heading levels, that means styles, right? I'll come later to that. Heading levels in your document with the dotted line, tab leader, and right line page numbers. I think you can understand, you have seen TOC in documents, right? That is what we are going to create now, right? The entries in the TOC act as hyperlinks, right? Act as hyperlinks to those specific parts in your report or in your thesis, right? Especially if you create titles using styles, right? All titles will come to the TOC. And also that title will be a link to that part in the document, right? If you want to move to that part using that link, you have to press Control key and click on that entry, right? That is the way. If you want to create a table of content, you need to go references, right? That is the tab references, right? Then anytime, for example, you can create a TOC with your document, but if you change your document later, right, anytime you can update your TOC, right? If you add some pages, if you add some titles again, right? So then you can simply update your TOC to include those items also, right? Let's do it and see how you create it, right? For that, I will create a document here. First, I will insert some text, random text. This right. Inserted random text using rand function, right? I will create this as a document, right? Then I will insert some titles, introduction, right? This is a sample document, right? Introduction, then background, right? Here I put problem statement. I will copy some text again. Insert again. Problem statement, pedagogy. The source. Right. This is your document, right? Now we can apply styles and format, then you can create your TOC, right? To apply style, simply select this title, right? Or you can just move the cursor to the title. That's enough, right? So then you can select. Normally we use headings, heading labels like this, right? In styles, heading 1, heading 2, like that, right? If you apply heading 1, automatically you have heading 2, right? If you apply heading 2, then system create heading 3 levels, right? Different levels. So normally if you want to create TOC, table of content, you need to apply heading levels, right? That is what you need to understand, right? So then I will apply here heading 1, right? Heading 1 apply, then you have to apply auto numbering, right? So then I will go with multi-level numbering, right? Click here, and then there I will apply headings, right? You can see here, one heading 1, then 1.1, 1.1.1, like that, right? This is how heading levels apply, right? You can see heading 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, right? So then I will apply here. So now you can see automatically applied to introduction, that is number 1, right? So then for background, I will apply, this is also main title. So then I will apply heading 1 like this, right? Now you can see if you applied main title heading 1, then you applied subtitle, that is heading 2. You can see number 1 here, 1.1, right? So then if you applied this one as main heading, you can see automatically number 2 apply, right? Automatically number 2 apply, right? So then this is also, we assume that main heading. So then you can see that is number 3, right? So then resource again, main heading, right? I will apply some subheadings here under methodology, maybe materials, To that, I will apply heading 2, right? Now you can see under number 3 methodology, under that subheading 3.1 already automatically applied, right? Under that, I will apply another third level, right? Under materials, maybe location, right? Location. This is going to be heading 3, right? Now you can see 3.1, 3.1.1, right? That is how you apply heading levels to your document, right? Right. Now, this is okay. Now you can create your TOC, right? You can create your TOC. We'll get some space here. Right. This is the point where I insert TOC, right? To create a TOC, you need to go references, right? References. Then you can see different areas in that ribbon. The first area, you can see table of contents, right? There you can see table of content command there. To select it, you can see several options there, right? By the option, you can select one, right? We will apply first one, right? First one. Now you can see TOC already applied, right? Under this already automatically comes as contents, right? Contents, you can see one introduction, 1.1 background, the page 1, right? Then problem statement, page 2, like that, right? This is how you create your TOC. It's very easy if you have applied styles, right? Basically, heading levels, right? It's very easy, right? So if you select this one, you can see this is actually content with some functions, right? You can see if you move the cursor, right? You can see current document, click Control plus click to follow link, right? So then if you click with Control key, for example, I will click on location, right? So then you can go to the location, right? Right? Automatically go to the location. That means that entry in the TOC act as hyperlinks, right? Hyperlinks to the document, right? This is very small document, but if you have a large document like some 100 pages, right? So then easily you can go to the different sections using the TOC links, right? I think it's clear, right? If you have any problems or questions, please ask. Or if you have questions, maybe you can type in chat window, right? Okay, right. Then how you update, right? Again, come to this, and now you can see we have different entries: 1, 1.1, 2, 3, 3.1, 3.1.1, and 4, right? Then I'm going to add another section called reference. Right. This is reference. Maybe in next page. Maybe some text for reference. I will copy this. Right. So then I will add a new part and new title. Then I will apply heading level 1. Right. Now you can see this is number 5. Right. But if you go to your TOC, you can't see here number 5 reference. So now you can update this field. Right. For that, you can simply right click on this field. Right. From that pop-up menu, you can click on update field, right? Update field. Once you click on update field, you can see a small window asking update page numbers only or update entire table, right? At this point, you need to select update entire table because you are going to update new entries and also pages, right? Page numbers. So then you have to select this one and click OK. Right? Now you can see in your TOC, reference added as number 5. Right? That is how you create TOC and also you update TOC. Even anywhere within your document, you can insert some new entries and then you can update your TOC, right? Maybe I will add some part under background, right? On the background, the sections, right? The sections title I will apply under background, right? So then background 1.1, that is heading levels 2, and this is going to be heading levels 3, right? So then that will come as 1.1.1, right? We'll apply heading levels 3, right? Sections, right? This is a new entry within the document, right? So then you can update your TOC to show it, right? You can see under 1.1, right? Then right click on update field, select update entire table, right? Now you can see the 1.1 background, then 1.1.1 sections, right? I think now it is clear, right? Only thing you need to apply heading levels, right, from styles. Then easily you can create your TOC and easily you can update your TOC, right? Next one, figure and table captions. This is again based on your document, right? In addition to your main text, you can insert some figures and tables, right? So then you need to name those figures and tables. That name we called captions, right? The caption is a numbered line of text that appears below or above an object to describe it, right? Normally for pictures or figures, we add a caption below to the picture, and for tables above to the table, right? That is a normal standard how you insert captions, right? For that, you need to go references, caption, then insert captions, right? Before that, I will insert some pictures to the document, right? So then you can insert a caption, right? We introduction, insert picture here, right? Now you know how you insert picture. Go insert pictures, then select your picture, click insert, right? You can see a picture inserted here. Then you need to name this picture, right? You can manually type something as a name or caption, but if you want to create automatically a list of figures as TOC, you need to insert a caption automatically from the system, right? Not manually typing, right? For that, you can go references. There you can see captions here, right? In the captions, you can see insert captions, right? Simply click here, insert caption. Now you can see the small window automatically come as figure 1, right? So then you can type the title for the figure, right? Maybe I just type production image like this, right? So here label you need to select as figure, right? Because if you want to insert a caption to a table, you need to select here as table, right? Or maybe equation, right? So then here this is a picture, then I will select label as picture, right? Then click OK. We can see automatically added figure 1 introduction image, right? Now I inserted one image as a picture, right? So then I inserted a caption figure 1, Then I will insert another image to explain you about that table of figures, right? Insert another. Then insert caption. Again go references. Insert caption, right? Now you can see the caption automatically comes with figure 2, right? Because this is second one, right? Then you can type the title or caption, right? The screenshot, whatever your title, right? You can type here, then select label as figure. Right? We can see figure 2, screenshot image. This is figure 1, introduction image, right? The chat video. Okay. Right. So then you can insert all images to your document. Then you can create your list of figures. This similar table of figures, similar as TOC, table of content, right? Even you can create table of figures for figures and also equations and also tables, right? Similar way, right? Similar way. So then I will apply below to TOC. Go under captions, you can see command insert table of figures, right? So then you can click here, right? And here also you have two ways because figures and tables, right? So then you can select table of figures, right? Table of figures and select here caption label figure, right? Already selected everything, then you need just click OK, right? We can see list of figures automatically added as a field, right? Once you added this list of figures, right? Anytime you can edit your document, you can insert new pictures and insert new captions. Then simply you can update the field as you done for TOC, right? Anytime you can insert new pictures, new titles, and then you can update, right? Again, we can see similar way we can create tables, right? Tables. For that I will insert tables, 2 tables, right? Here I will insert 1 table to explain you about small table. Understand the difference when you insert a caption or title for your table, that should be above to the table, right? So then again you can go references, insert caption, right? Here you need to select label as table, right? Table. So then system automatically get it as table 1 because this is the first table inserted to this document, right? So then you can type your caption or title to the table. This table. Select label as table, click on, right? This is automatically added a caption or title to the table. We'll insert another one. Yeah. To explain you about that, insert small table, select references, insert caption. Now you can see this is already comes as table 2, right? And you can type the caption. This is table 2. Whatever your in description about table, right? Right? Inserted 2 tables to the document and insert captions, right? So then you can create list of table. Similar TOC and list of figures, right? You can type list of tables. Then you can insert, click on insert table of figure, right? There you can see automatically selected the caption label as table, right? So you can see the preview table 1, table 2 like that, right? So simply click OK. If not, if it is as selected as figure, you need to change caption label as a table, right? Here already selected as table, so then I simply click OK, right? You can see list of tables automatically added as TOC, right? You can see there are 3 content areas. This is table of content. Then this is again a TOC, but it is from captions, that is list of figures, figure captions, and table captions, list of tables, right? Right now we have already created TOC, list of figures, list of tables, right? Only thing for list of TOC, table of content, you need to apply heading levels for your titles. For list of figures, you need to apply captions for figures, and list of tables, again you need to apply captions for tables, right? If you have applied automatically, you can create this content, right?